Hi, this is Felipe from UserGuiding. Are you having trouble displaying your active content and don't know why that is? Today, I'll guide you through potential reasons why your UserGuiding content is not showing up. First and foremost, you should ensure that the UserGuiding container is installed and configured correctly. The easiest way to check this is by running the Troubleshooter. Right-click the UG Chrome extension icon and select Run Troubleshooter. If the troubleshooter does not launch, this is our first clue that there is a problem with the container code installation. Let's check if the UG code can be found inside the page's source. You can open the dev console by right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect. Inside the Sources tab, you should be able to locate static.userguiding.com. If it is not there, you should check your container code installation. When the troubleshooter opens, you should look for any X marks indicating problem areas. You should check your Identify code installation if you see an X next to user identification inside the Current User Information tab. Let's do a second check through the developer console to ensure user guiding is waiting to receive the user information from your end. Here, inside the console tab, type the following command and enter. As you can see, the X mark has been replaced by a check mark now that we have used a test ID to identify the user. Your development team should review the user identification installation if this is the case. If you see an X inside the Targeting Availability tab, the current page you are on does not match the material's targeting conditions. You should review and adjust the targeting settings so the content is displayed on the intended pages. An X inside the Segmentation Availability tab means your user is not inside the segment of users allowed to see the content. Go to your material settings on your user guiding panel and check if the segmentation is set correctly. Making the necessary changes there should resolve this problem. One common reason a guide or hotspot fails is that UG cannot locate the highlighted element on the page. This might be because the element is missing, or there are similar elements on the page, so finding the right one takes time. To prevent this, try using the CSS selector to highlight the element. This will ensure you have made the most accurate selection. Another possibility is that you or your browser by default have an Adblocker on. Since UserGuiding is embedded as a third-party script into your website, Adblockers can cause problems. Turning off the Adblocker will easily fix this issue. But if you'd like a more comprehensive solution, don't hesitate to get in touch with our support team. Following these troubleshooting steps and detailed possible solutions, you should be able to resolve any issues with your content visibility. I hope this was helpful.